Hey girl, how you doing? It's okay. I want to help. I don't know if she let me help her. I can see the pups. One. Oh, it's okay. One, give me a chance to help you. Thank you. So there's a little puppy. Hey, don't come back running. Jesus Christ, she's gonna attack me. Go back. Thank you. There's a little puppy on the side of the road. Oh, shop, there comes another one. They're all the way in the back up. Oh, don't come back running. They're all the way in the back up there. Hopefully I'm gonna place them. She wants to attack me. Look at her. I don't know how to get them back in that den. Okay, she's gone now. We have to get them all the way back up there. Oh boy. I wonder who the owner of this dog is. Healthy little boy pup. Whoa. Rolling puppies on a Sunday morning. Ah. Healthy little girl pup. Let me try. Hey guys, things does happen and you'll be right there to see it. I was driving down the road, it's in my own neighborhood. All of a sudden I saw a little puppy roll down in the road. It's like the smallest puppy. And the mommy dog is standing there looking at me with violence in her eyes. I had to chase her off. She was gonna bite me, yeah. She dug a den below. You're gonna see it. She dug a den below the street, and she made her pups there, but they're rolling down in the road. So I made a sort of barricade and put it there for them. I'm gonna inform the owner, find out who the owners are. But she has 4 little pups. They keep rolling down in the road because they're big enough now to walk. Check it out. Let me know what you think. I didn't get bite though, but it was a close one. Hey girl, how you doing? It's okay. I want to help. I don't know if she let me help her. I can see the
So you're seeing it as it happened. I was driving down the street when I saw this puppy roll down the hill,
one. Give me
and
a
the
chance
mother
to
dog
help
was
you.
standing there.
Thank
She
you.
meant violence. She wanted to bite me. I tried to pick it up, but she was coming
Hey,
full
don't come
speed
back
back in,
running
so I was
there.
in two minds between helping the puppy and just trying not to get bitten. Just look at her.
Thank you.
She dug a hole up into the side of the road
On
and made a den.
oh shop,
And
there
then
comes
Puppies,
another
you
one.
see, Puppies was just
They're
rolling
all the
down
way in
into
the
the
back.
road.
Oh, don't come back
Someone
running.
told me who the dog belonged to.
They're all the way in the
And we
back.
reached out to them. But yeah, so what I ended up doing was building a barricade because you couldn't do anything at this point.
Place them.
The
She
pups
wants to
looked like
attack
10
me.
days old for the most. They were really nice, healthy looking pups. From the
I
word
don't
of
know
it,
how
she
to
had
get
4
them
of
back
them
in that
inside of
den.
there, but they kept rolling back
Okay,
down.
she's gone now.
So I built a barricade to avoid them from falling
We
in
have
the
to get
road.
them all the way
And
back
I
up
told
there.
the owner, it was a really cool Sunday morning. Imagine I was just going to take my dog to the beach when I saw this. It was raining cats and
Healthy
dogs
little
that day.
boy pup. Whoa. Rolling puppies on a Sunday morning. Ah, healthy little girl pup. Let me try. She moving them? So, yeah, but a big hill what there, man. Huh. I will put it across the middle here. Easy there, little one. That's the best. Your mother will come for you. That's the best you could do for now. You have 4 in the back there? You have a deep hole in it. If you heave it, you heave it in the hole. Let me try one more time.